We've got another review for you. This is a Piccolino range chicken parmigiana, if that's how you say it. Basically chicken topped pasta. Let's get it in the microwave and we'll see what we think. Right guys, there it is. Let's get stuck into it. Smells absolutely banging. Let's try the chicken first. Bit of pasta. That is absolutely banging. The pasta is absolutely banging. The sauce is perfect. The chicken is absolutely perfect as well, considering it's been in the microwave. Nice and crispy. Banging. Solid. 9 out of 10.